it wasn't a moment where I said, that's it. I'm giving up marketing forever and I'm doing product management only from now on. There was a gradual progress from me handling digital marketing campaigns in my previous job and agencies and so on, into wanting to build the website I wanted and I needed to run those campaigns and to make them successful. There were always a lot of improvements to be made, a lot of changes needed. And I slowly turned from the person coming with the requirements and putting pressure and saying, I want this, I want that, and I want it now, to slowly working with everyone to say, okay, let's collect those requirements, let's prioritize them, and then I will go as a representative of all this group of people working in marketing, needing different things to be changed on the website, because it was user-facing. I'll collect all of these things and then go and discuss with the developers, with the engineering teams, and see what we can build out of this. And then there were things like, okay, we need a new interface for the careers section, or we need a new interface for the events booking system. So all these things turned into, let's collect ideas. Oh, do you know how to make wireframes? No, I'll find out. Okay, I'll learn Axure and this and that and Balsamiq and whatever I was using back then. Okay, guys, what do you think about these wireframes? Okay, I would change this here and I would change this there. Then once you get kind of everyone in agreement with those, I started working with the designer. Oh, let's build a nice layout for this, and let's change the skin of this website, and let's make it look newer and fresher and with better user experience. Once we had the mock-ups, you go back to your colleagues and say, hey guys, what do you think about this? Yeah, we like it. Oh, we would change this here, and we would add another button here and another piece of content here and a calendar on top and other things. And then once we had the final version, it's like, okay, now let's build it. And I think I've done this for a couple of years as being kind of the connector between the marketing teams and the rest of the business and the engineers, without actually putting a label to it. So I wasn't a product manager, I wasn't a business analyst, I wasn't a project manager. It was just me coordinating the relationship between the marketing departments and the engineers. So slowly, I moved into doing more and more of that. I realized I loved it because ultimately you were building things, you were rolling them out, people started using them, everyone was giving you instant feedback, whether good or bad. Mostly it was good back then. I was really happy, got me really excited about it. It's like, oh, I get to build stuff and I see it and people see it. And I don't know, to give you an example, topuniversities.com has millions of visitors on a monthly basis. I was like, oh my God, this is amazing. Or like running campaigns to a specific event page, which was, I don't know, driving hundreds of thousands of users to that page in a month. It's like, wow, we built this page and it's supporting all this traffic, and get to engage with these people. And we were looking in analytics to see how engagement has changed and so on. So I was really excited to see the results of the work. I said, okay, I really like doing this. So I kept on doing it for a while until, as I said earlier, my previous manager kind of suggested that we get started on a new project, and asked me if I want to be the product manager of that project and coordinate it with everything it meant, which was doing a lot of research to understand the industry that we were tapping into, because it was something completely new for me and completely new for the business. And then actually understanding, so what we were building at that stage was an affiliate network for education. So one was understanding how affiliate marketing works, how lead generation works, and how then understanding how you would build that platform. So we ended up creating everything from scratch, from an idea, the whole concept, and it was a lot of learning. This happened over a period of a year and a half, 2 years back then. It was a lot of learning. We started something from scratch. I got to build this, and I was really excited about it. So I kept on doing it, and I loved it. And so Yeah, here I am. If you ask me if I want to go back to marketing now, I'd say no. Yeah, it was more from the desire of changing things that we needed at that stage. And then when I started doing it, then I realized that I can be the one to contribute to communicating people's needs and the business needs and help build those things that would serve the needs. I was like, oh, this is the thing for me.